Good morning, and thank you for being here with us today. First, this is my business plan, and this is why I would love to share with you why you guys would love us in Wichita Falls. By the way, my name is Jella Howard, and again, thank you for being here with us. We are Evolving the Falls. This is our logo, and this is the beautiful faces you will be seeing around. Who are we? What do we do? What is our mission? What do we stand for? Our mission. Our mission strives to evolve. Our organization strives to evolve and amplify the beauty of Wichita Falls through new real estate development and design. With that, we just want to develop. We want to design. We want the city to become what it can become, to explore its best potential, and to develop. We want more for the city. That's what we're here for. We will do that, and we have created a vision through our business. Our vision is to have a fully developed, beautiful design and thriving Wichita Falls. Who are we? Again, my name is Shayla Howard. We have our executive director, Jada Scott. We have our program director, Rick Cade. And we have our fundraising director, Garrett Rogers. At the moment, we are doing this with the four of us. We do anticipate on gaining more. We do anticipate on volunteers. We do anticipate on everything. Although, as we start up, we want to make sure that we keep it within us and we know exactly what's going on and start this very, very, very successful and bring people along as it goes well. Why are we here? Why are we here in Wichita? The city needs us. The city needs our development. The city is growing. It's very, very evident the city is growing. The city is growing in residential numbers. The city is growing through the college. The city is growing. The city lacks interactive options. As we grow, as they migrate, as the citizens here deserve it, we want to give them something. We want them to want to be here. We want them to know, if I want to do it, it's in Wichita. If I can think of it, it's in Wichita. Why do I need to leave Wichita? That sounds very, very, very selfish. But we're here for you guys. We're here because we want more and we know there can be more. We also are here because we understand that with the more people that start to move here, the more that does come, jobs will be limited. It's not going to match up with the population growth and the job options, as well as the population growth is not matching up and meeting with the commercial real estate growth. So we're here to change all of that, and we will change that. We just want, again, what's best for the city. We want to develop. We want to renovate. We want to innovate and give Wichita what it deserves. Give the citizens what they want to listen to them. How will we provide for the city? We will provide blueprints. And if you give me a second, I will speak on the blueprints. By what I mean by what we will provide the blueprints. At two of our events, I won't give you guys a little spoiler, two of our events throughout the year, to our fundraising events, that's where we will hold our blueprint events. One is Inspiring Architects and one is Dreaming and Tiny. This is where we will see more visuals before we start breaking ground. We will see this and we will listen to the citizens to see exactly what is wanted, what is needed, how it's wanted, how it's needed. We will also provide a pathway to accumulate funds. We are here to accumulate the funds for the city and direct them in the right direction. Direct them to where they should be going. Direct them to who needs them, to put them in the right person's hands. And just be able to trust us with the funds and be able to know that things will get done. We will also, again, like I said previously, provide more jobs. We will provide these jobs through not only once things are completed, but construction. We will provide as we start to the finish and the during. Providing construction jobs, providing jobs once everything is up and running. We will also provide more construction in real estate. We will have more constructed buildings, and once finished, we will have more real estate throughout the city. And with that comes new development, as well as creating property value. This will create property value amongst the city once more things are developed, once more things are innovated, are renovated. And again, just bring Wichita Falls to its best potential. I don't see why anyone would disagree with property growth, more jobs, accumulating funds, and we want to be the one to provide that for the city. We want to be the one to say that we had an input, as again, Wichita deserves it. What are our goals? Again, as we want to develop businesses. We want to bring businesses here. We don't only just want to develop on local businesses, as again, I want Wichitans should know they don't have to always leave the city to get what they want. So therefore, we want to bring businesses to Wichita. We want to promote them, bring them here, and then again serve as an advertisement for the businesses here to become so Wichita can become aware of them. I also want to provide funds to build 20% more each year. 20% more of what we have, and that will be based on different numbers. It could be 20% more restaurants, 20% more entertainment. Just we will build 20% more of each category each year. Again, we just want to make Wichita fall in love with their city. Again, they deserve it. Wichita is a great city, and we want to be the reason people come. We want to be the reason people talk well about Wichita. We want to be the reason we're creating more jobs and people are falling in love with. They can love the job, be happy, make money. We want to be that reason, and we will be that reason. At the end of the day, that is our goal, to serve Wichita as we are a nonprofit established in Wichita, and that is our goal. How will we measure? We will actively send out surveys engaging with citizens. We want to hear their feedback. Again, we are here to serve them. We will also measure this by the engagement in city life. We will understand if people are engaging. We will understand if people are outside. We will understand that they are happy with the results. We will measure this by real estate statistics. If we are developing new establishment, new construction, new buildings, we understand that real estate will rise, and we will understand that we have a part in that, and we are doing something. We will also measure this by our program raise funds. If we are able to do what we are doing, if we are able to raise these funds, we will understand that we are doing something within the city. We understand that we are making progress, and we will measure that. We will measure our progress by that. We'll also measure our progress by unemployment statistics. We understand that we need our employment numbers to drop, as everyone probably will want in any other city. We understand that if we can provide more jobs, and what we are creating is creating jobs and dropping that number, we will measure our success on that as well. So to wrap, first off, again, thank you. I didn't want to take too much of your time. I just wanted to give you a brief of who we are. Again, we are Evolving the Falls, and we will serve to the city of Wichita. We will become a success to the city of Wichita, and we will innovate and develop. This city is beautiful, and this city will become even more beautiful. Thank you. Again, my name is Shayla Howard. Come see me after the presentation if you have any more questions. Have a blessed one.